Welcome back, students. Now we are going to start the second lesson of our second book, that is Structure and Physiography of our country. Students, at the micro level, in our book, our country has been divided into three major divisions regarding its structure and physiography. These three divisions are the Plateau region, the Indo-Gangetic Plain, and the Himalayan and Southern mountains. But for the sake of convenience of our studies, we shall divide our country at micro level, and as we all have studied in class 9th, we shall divide our country into 6 major physiographic divisions to study our country more clearly regarding its structure and physiography. Students, our country has been formed by the exogenic and endogenic forces in very ancient time. We know that we are living on Indo-Australian plate, and the major portion of our country was south of equator in ancient times, and the Indo plate and Australian plate both are the portion of a same plate known as Indo-Australian plate. After the division of this plate, the Indian plate shifted towards north, while the Australian plate shifted towards southeast. And we know that the endogenic forces are continuously in action and they are continuously trying to change our physiography and structure. They influence our entire Indian subcontinent in a very effective manner. Now I am coming towards our today's topic. We are going to study about the physiographic divisions of our country. Students, our country has been divided into 6 major divisions. First of them is Himalayan region. Students, this is Himalayan region. See this mark 1 for the first physiographic division of our country. The first physiographic division of our country is Himalayan mountains. Now I am going to tell you about the second physiographic division. The second physiographic division is the Indo-Gangetic Plain. This is demarcated by the Himalayan mountains in the north and the plateau region in the south, while in the west it is demarcated by Great Indian Desert. Now we shall see our third physiographic division. It is the plateau region. It is consists of 2 major portions: Central Highlands and Deccan Tract. The portion of plateau region at the north of Vindhyas, Satpura and other mountains like Mahadev Maikal, Rajmahal Hills, etc. are known as Central Highlands. Central Highlands is known as different names in different states or region. Somewhere they are known as Malwa Plateau, mostly in Madhya Pradesh. Somewhere they are known as Bundelkhand, somewhere Baghelkhand, and in Bihar and Jharkhand they are known as Chota Nagpur Plateau region. They are extended up to Meghalaya Plateau and Karbi Aglang Plateau. Students, south of Central Plateau region, Central Highlands, this is the portion of Deccan Tract. the fourth division of our country is Great Indian Desert. This region. Great Indian Desert. The fifth physiographic division is the coastal strips. What are the coastal strips? It is well known to us that our western and eastern coastal regions is demarcated by the mountains known as the mountains of western and eastern Ghats. Students, the narrow plains lying between the sea coast and western Ghats is known as western coastal strip, while the coastal plains lying between the eastern Ghats and the seashore is known as eastern coastal plain. Eastern coastal plain is broader than the western coastal strip. Eastern coastal strip has more width than the western coastal strip, and it is well known to us that it has many deltas because the slope of our country is towards east, and all the major rivers except some west flowing rivers like Narmada and Tapi confluence into the Bay of Bengal and made their deltas. Now I am going to discuss about our sixth physiographic division. These physiographic divisions are the group of islands which are lying in the Arabian Sea and in the Bay of Bengal. In the Arabian Sea, they are known as Lakshadweep, which have coral origin, and in the Bay of Bengal, they are the Andaman and Nicobar island groups. They are believed to be the upper portion of submerged mountains. So, student, this is about our physiographic divisions. We shall study these physiographic divisions in detail later in the coming lectures. Thanks.